How can we simplify secure access across AWS and Bitbucket? In our Bitbucket repository, go to repository setting, go to OpenID Connect. On AWS side, go to Identity and Access Management, Identity Providers, Add Provider, OpenID Connect, take the Identity Provider URL, paste it, take the audience, paste it, add provider. Assign a role. You can use an existing role or create a new role. If you create a new role, you must choose web identity, choose your audience, next, select a policy, put a name, create role. Now you know